under this, right?
No one's there.
I am Hercules!
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Tuesday, July 15th, 2025. 9:15 here in the morning in the great state of New York. Heading to my next assignment on the schedule. I'm going to be meeting Daniel and Derek. We're going to be decommissioning a 30,000 BTU single-zone ductless mini split system in a exotic car garage. Yep, we have an existing client. We service his homes, plural, and we service the man cave, which is where I'm taking you this morning. We're going to be decommissioning a single-zone ductless mini split system and installing the 36,000 3-ton ACiQ single-zone ductless system. Now, I know it's a great location, and I'm going to share with you some of the collection that our client has. And a great guy, an amazing guy. But I'm going to show you an invention or a tool that I'm going to use to raise the outdoor unit on the roof. I built myself a ladder crane. Yep, built myself a ladder crane. So I'm going to use that. It's a simple device. It's a motor, piece of strut, and a clevis hanger. Pretty simple, right? So make sure you stick around, and let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comments section down below. Let's go! The boys are in town. Yeah, watch the car. All right, I'm on the roof. That's the unit. Here's my ladder crane. Got a piece of unistrut here. I got a clevis hanger with some threaded rod. They're down there with the unit. It only came with one strap, and we don't have any other straps in the truck, so either this is going to be an epic fail or it's going to be a success. It's like they're retarded looking, so it's stuck on the... I guess we'll see what happens here, folks. You're going to be watching it with us. All right, we'll see what happens. I need an extension cord up here for power. All right, we ready? Okay, you gotta hold the ladder. You. So, grab that control. Okay, let's move over a little bit. A little bit, not a lot. Are we good like that? All right, now. What? problem is I have all the weight on my head. You know what? I'm gonna get the ladder. With the other ladder. Get an get an A-frame ladder. You don't have a regular ladder? Yeah, go get a regular ladder. That as like the other point of the axis here. All right, now. Let's connect this. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Don't worry. We got 21 minutes right here, baby. Fuck yeah! Ready?
Yep.
No one's there under this, right?
No one's there.
I am Hercules!
All right, it's a 11:45 here. Off camera, we kinked the line. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. The 5/8 going around the top lip of this building here. So we had to cut it, but we accomplished. See, we had one right there, another one over there as well, but
Hold on.
looking good. Looking good. Daniel's manhandling this beast, this wildebeest. Good old Mikey Pipes by ACiQ. Beautiful. And no, we're not using it as a heat pump. Get that thought out of your head, folks.